Traveling is an exciting and enriching experience, but packing for a trip can be overwhelming. Many people bring unnecessary items while overlooking essentials that could make their journey smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. This guide breaks down 10 things you might not realize you need for travel, but absolutely should bring, and 10 things you think you need, but actually don't. Each explanation provides insights into why these items are or aren't necessary, helping you pack efficiently and travel stress-free. 10 things you might not realize you need, but actually do. Offline maps. Many travelers assume that Wi-Fi or mobile data will always be available, but this isn't always the case, especially in remote areas, underground metro systems, or foreign countries where roaming data is expensive. Downloading offline maps using apps like Google Maps, Offline Mode, or Maps.me allows you to navigate without an internet connection. This is especially useful when exploring cities on foot or driving through areas with weak signals. An offline map can help you find your hotel, locate nearby attractions, and even discover restaurants and emergency services if you're lost. Universal Travel Adapter. Different countries use different types of electrical outlets, and many travelers don't realize this until they arrive and can't charge their devices. A universal travel adapter allows you to plug in your electronics anywhere in the world without worrying about outlet compatibility. Some adapters also come with built-in USB ports, allowing you to charge multiple devices at once. Investing in a good adapter prevents unnecessary stress and saves you from hunting for a compatible charger in a foreign country. Copies of important documents. Passports, visas, travel insurance, and hotel bookings are crucial for any trip. Yet most travelers don't think about what happens if they lose these documents. Having both physical photocopies and digital copies, stored in cloud storage or emailed to yourself, can be a lifesaver. In case of theft or loss, a copy of your passport can speed up the replacement process at an embassy, and having proof of your reservations can prevent hotel check-in issues. A lightweight, packable tote or foldable backpack. Many travelers don't consider the need for an extra bag, but having a lightweight, foldable tote or backpack is extremely useful. Whether you're heading out for a day trip, shopping for souvenirs, or carrying extra layers, an additional bag keeps your hands free. It also serves as a backup in case your main luggage gets damaged or you need more space on your return trip. A reusable water bottle with a filter. Buying bottled water while traveling adds up quickly in cost and contributes to plastic waste. A reusable bottle with a built-in filter, like a LifeStraw or Brita bottle, ensures you always have safe drinking water, even in countries where tap water isn't safe. This is particularly helpful in regions where bottled water is expensive or hard to find and saves you from dehydration during long travel days. Travel laundry detergent and a sink stopper. Most people don't realize how useful travel-sized laundry detergent can be until they're stuck with limited clothes on a long trip. Instead of overpacking, bringing a small detergent packet and a universal sink stopper allows you to wash clothes in your hotel sink and reuse them, cutting down on luggage weight. This is especially helpful for long-term travelers, backpackers, or those visiting hot climates where clothes get sweaty quickly. A portable door lock or door stopper. Even if you're staying in a hotel or Airbnb, not all accommodations are equally secure. A portable door lock or a rubber door stopper can prevent unwanted intrusions and give you peace of mind while sleeping. This is particularly useful for solo travelers, female travelers, or those staying in budget hotels or hostels where security might not be as tight. A small first aid kit. Many travelers don't think they'll need first aid supplies until they actually do. A compact kit with pain relievers, band-aids, antiseptic wipes, motion sickness pills, and allergy medication can prevent minor ailments from ruining your trip. Finding a pharmacy in a foreign country, especially in a rural area or if there's a language barrier, can be difficult, so having essentials on hand saves time and stress. Extra Ziploc bags and compression packing cubes. Ziploc bags are incredibly versatile. They can hold wet clothes, organize cables, store snacks, or keep passports dry in the rain. Compression packing cubes, on the other hand, help travelers save space and keep luggage organized by reducing the volume of clothes. These small packing hacks make a huge difference when managing space efficiently. Travel-size duct tape. It may sound strange, but a small roll of duct tape can fix a torn suitcase, mend a broken shoe, repair a leaky water bottle, or even act as an emergency bandage. It's lightweight, takes up very little space, and has endless emergency uses that most travelers never think about. 10 things you think you need, but actually don't. Too many clothes. Many travelers overestimate how many outfits they'll actually wear. Instead of packing extra clothes for every possible scenario, it's smarter to bring a few versatile mix-and-match pieces that can be layered or reworn. Laundry services or washing clothes on the go make overpacking unnecessary. Expensive jewelry and accessories. Wearing flashy jewelry makes you a target for thieves. Many travelers bring expensive watches, necklaces, or rings thinking they'll wear them, but most end up keeping them locked in hotel safes out of fear. It's best to leave valuables at home and travel with simple accessories. Full-size toiletries like large shampoo bottles, full-size lotion, and big hair products take up too much space and often exceed airport liquid limits. Most hotels provide basic toiletries, and travel-sized versions or solid toiletries like shampoo bars are more practical. A money belt might seem like a good idea, but they are often uncomfortable, obvious, and inconvenient when trying to access cash. Instead, using a secure anti-theft travel bag or distributing money in different pockets is a better approach. Shoes take up a lot of space, yet many travelers bring more than they actually wear. A good rule of thumb is one comfortable pair for walking, and one lightweight pair for dressier occasions, if necessary. A guidebook. Physical guidebooks are bulky and outdated compared to digital alternatives. Using travel apps, blogs, or downloaded ebooks provides the same information without adding weight to your bag. Too many snacks. While bringing a small snack for emergencies is fine, packing an entire bag of snacks is unnecessary since food is available in most places. Trying local cuisine is also part of the travel experience. Neck pillows are great for long-haul flights, but bulky and inconvenient for short trips. Unless you have a long journey, it's an item that often just hangs off a backpack unused. Most hotels provide hair dryers, and hairstyling tools take up too much space. If you must bring one, compact travel versions are a better alternative. Buying souvenirs is tempting, but too many souvenirs take up space and make luggage heavier. Instead, opting for small keepsakes like postcards or digital photos is more practical. And that's a wrap on today's video. I hope this list helps you pack smarter and travel lighter on your next adventure. Remember, it's not about bringing everything, it's about bringing the right things. Less weight, more freedom, and a stress-free journey, that's the goal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future travel tips and guides. Got any travel must-haves or packing mistakes you've made? Let me know in the comments below. Let's help each other travel smarter. Thanks for watching, and as always, safe travels and happy adventures. See you in the next one.